This video will explain how to complete an individual sheep property-to-property transfer on the NLIS database. Enter www.nlis.com.au into your browser. You will see the following screen. You can either log in if you have an existing NLIS account or register for an NLIS producer account. To register for an account, click on Register. You will need to fill out your details and click Register. You will receive an email from the NLIS database confirming your application. To log on to the NLIS database, add in your NLIS user ID and password. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the icons and send. You also have the option to log into the NLIS database through your My MLA login if you have it set up. Once you log into your NLIS account, you will see the old dashboard. You will need to change to the new dashboard. Once you have selected the new dashboard, you need to ensure you are working with sheep, individual. You now need to select the option Notify the database of livestock moved onto my property, sheep individual. That will take you to the transfer screen. Step 1. Type in the data. You can enter the electronic NLIS ear tags of the sheep into the first box. This can be completed by either cutting and pasting the RFIDs directly from the file you downloaded onto your computer from your scanner, or by typing in the visual number, the NLIS ID, as shown. If you are typing the visual number, ensure that the numbers and digits are all correct, otherwise you may transfer the incorrect animal or someone else's animal. You will then need to enter the total number of head in the consignment. The pick you are moving the animals from will need to be entered in the next box. This pick can be found on the NVD, the National Vendor Declaration, that arrived with the animals. The pick you are moving them to is pre-entered from the pick or picks linked to your NLIS account. The NVD number must be entered in the next box. The date the livestock moved must be entered. This date must reflect the date the animals arrived on your property, not the date you completed the NLIS transfer. Step 2. Validate the data. This screen includes the details of your proposed NLIS transfer, including the NLIS IDs, RFIDs, PIC, NVD number, and movement date for you to validate and make any changes if required. For this example, the NLIS ID doesn't have the correct number of characters. Once the data is all correct, Process Data can be selected. Step 3. Process Data. The last screen informs you if the transfer has been processed successfully or not, and provides you with an upload ID for your reference. You will also be sent an email from the NLIS database regarding the transfer and the upload details.